Welcome to Professor's Garage. 100,000 miles on this RX350, and we are going to change the engine coolant today. In this video, I'm going to show you where exactly to join antifreeze from the radiator and from the engine block. Let's dive right in. It's better to raise the vehicle to access the radiator drain. Ideally, you may also want to raise the back of the car so that you have easier access to the engine block drain as well. As always, safety first. Engage the parking brake. Make sure the car is stable and safe to get under the car. Remove the front underbody cover to access the radiator drain. Find the petcock under the radiator in the front. Now you do not have to do this, but I prefer to use a clear tube to direct the drain to my containers. You may remove the radiator cap to help the drainage, but only do it when the engine has cooled down. Beautiful. In the end, almost 2 gallons of coolant came out of the radiator drain. Now close the petcock. And remove the tube. Now let's locate the engine block drain. Hopefully you can see the joint is hidden between the transmission and the engine oil pan, somewhere around the exhaust pipe. This is very difficult to reach, especially when you are crawling under the car. You will need a long extension with a U-joint and a 10mm socket to access the valve. There is additional up to 1 gallon coolant that you can join from here. I'll use my trusty no-spill funnel to fill the coolant and bleed air from it. Compress the hoses to release some air. Start the engine. During the process, keep an eye on the coolant level. Top it off if it goes low. Rev up the engine and keep it at 2500 RPM to warm up the engine. When radiator fans are turned on, the coolant will be fully circulated. Air will continue to bubble up until they isn't. At this point, you can remove the funnel, top off the radiator and the overflow tank. Test drive and monitor the engine coolant level in the next few days. If necessary, add coolant again to the radiator and the overflow tank. I hope you found this video to be helpful and informative. Consider giving us a like and subscribing to Professor's Garage. If a professor can do it, you can do it. Until next time, may the Lord bless you and grant you peace. 平安。